Metas, along with the National Federation of the Blind of Texas Newsline, put on a workshop in the Texas Rio Grande Valley for 16 blind Spanish-speaking adults and their families called Cambiando Vidas. The purpose of the program was to introduce Spanish speakers to skills and resources to live their life and connect to other blind adults. Braille. Participants learned how to read and write Spanish Braille, which is the system blind people use to read and write independently. Most participants had never been introduced to it before the workshop. Orientation and mobility. Participants learned how to use a long white cane as part of the workshop. They received a free cane, learned how to use it, and some basic skills to get around. Using a cane can be one of the most important things a blind person learns to gain confidence in themselves. Technology. Participants learned about technology hands-on. They learned how to use a computer with voice-to-speech software, about accessible cell phones, and about the NFB Newsline service to access newspapers and magazines in accessible formats. Daily living skills. Participants learned how to organize their homes, techniques for cooking, how to navigate a buffet line, and label their materials. Family workshops. Families of participants were an integral part of our programming. We had parents, spouses, and siblings of participants take part in workshops. They were able to talk to others, learn from blind adults, and learn how to better support their family members. Mentors. Instructors served as mentors to participants. All mentors are blind themselves and have diverse life experiences that they shared. They were able to connect with participants and answer all types of questions, thus forging new friendships. Congratulations to our 16 participants of our first of many Cambiando Vidas workshops. We hope you continue to learn and take what you have learned to others. Thank you to the wonderful mentors, Metas, and NFB Texas Newsline for making this possible. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to Metas to make this dream a reality. More Cambiando Vidas workshops are already in the works. Gracias.